almost got it.
So close. You were over it, but you were close.
Ooh. Good job.
Next!
Yay! Way too high. You're gonna be. Oh!
That's what I did the last time.
And I videotaped it last time too.
Yeah!
Yay! Woo!
That's a typical Doug landing.
Oh, it was in more pieces last time he did this. Hey! Let's see the limbo! There are pieces falling off of it as it's taken off. Lower! It's got to be lower. Woohoo! Victory roll! Now inverted! A little lower, you're gonna... Wow!
All the servos on it.
And he said the repair job.
They did catch him though. They did catch him.
Yay! Good job, Doug! Hey!
Both of them popped out now.
You'll be working for a television news organization.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, that wasn't too bad there,
Awesome, Pat.
Wow, I thought that was gonna break it.
Full speed landing.
I missed the runway. Got it?
Oh no, you got the runway.
You got it?
No, I got it.
Good. Did you get that, Pat? Good.
Thumbs up. Every time. Alright, made it off the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, tried to turn, it fell. Tried to turn, it fell. Oh. And. Yeah. Yeah, sorta.
Did the CG change on that thing or something?
Oh, it doesn't have a CG.
Because it looks like it's flying a tail.
It always flies like that. Yeah. Yeah. Here goes the handle. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it broke off.
The handle broke.
Brake crack.
Whew.
Super.
Let's turn off your radio. Try that again. Oh boy. You trying to keep it interesting? Oh gosh. Go around. Oh.
Oh, then I break it as it turns over. Ah, shit.
3, 4, 5.
Keep doing that because your nose.
Let's just say it's the nose gear's fault. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it at all. Good job. Oh, and he's gonna come back through the other way. Oh!
Oh!
Hey Jim, thank you.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, that's not good.
Little burst of throttle, keep it flying. Beautiful.
They kick it out of crazy.
Oh. His wheels turn sideways now.
They had helped build this one. The whole thing, I don't think we would be really if we hit a chance got on somehow with a bar and 56, pretty doggone decent motor. I think I would buy some of those lottery tickets.
No!
That's too low.
Keep it almost there.
Keep it running.
I cut the.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Closer, lower. Oh!
Yeah. I see.
It's a little bit